Want to unlock a new revenue stream for your Roblox games and create even cooler experiences for your players? First, navigate to the Roblox website and click Create at the top of the page. This takes you to the Roblox Creator Hub, your central command for all things development. Under Experiences, find the game you want to add the Gamepass to. If you haven't created a game yet, now's the time to make one. Click on your game and then select the Monetization tab. On this page, you can find the Game Passes section. Click Create Game Pass. This will bring you to the Game Pass creation page. Here you can upload an image for your Game Pass, give it a catchy name, and write a description that tells players what it does. Be creative and enticing. After creating the Game Pass, it will appear in the Game Passes list, but it's not yet for sale. Click on your newly created Game Pass. Navigate to the Sales tab and toggle the Item for Sale switch. Now you can set your price in Robux. Remember that Roblox takes a 30% cut, so factor that into your pricing strategy. Click Save Changes. Congratulations! You've created and put your Game Pass up for sale. Promote it within your game and watch the Robux roll in, enhancing both your earnings and your players' enjoyment. Get creating!